Good. Ooh, that's zoomed in. Does it zoom out? I don't know. Good morning. Today is my last day here in Indiana. I'm tired. Of course, I slept with my bonnet on. Available on our website, magichaircompany.com, and I'm getting ready for the airport. I'm ready to go home. I've been here an entire week. Thank you guys for watching. I love all the comments on my videos this week. So right now I'm deciding which wig I'm going to wear to the airport. I really wanted to wear my blue wig because it has been my favorite wig for the weekend, but I think I'm gonna wear my red bob because I haven't worn it all weekend. So I bring 5 different wigs with me on my trip, and I didn't wear that one yet. So that's what I will put on for the airport. Let me tell you guys all about my trip. I can't wait to tell you guys about my trip. I didn't use a satin band to stick my lace on after I spread my Got To Be glue. This one, as of now, is my favorite, this elastic band. It's just really quick, really simple, really easy. Both available on our website. So is our paddle brush. Really, really great quality. Boom, bam, bam. Okay, let me tell you guys about my trip as I prep my hair. So to prep my hair, this has obviously been in my suitcase for the last 8 days. I will use our hot comb. Our hot comb is available in 4 different, ooh, what if I really did that? Let me stop. 4 different colors, and I'm just going to get her straight. So very, very easy way to style your hair. I'm just kind of getting her styled here. So for Centennial, I'm at Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated 100 year, which is Centennial Boule, which is our annual national meeting. So there are because everybody's almost home now. I'm here because I booked the wrong flight. But yeah, so there's sorors from all around the world. Belize, new chapter, Japan, Dubai. All of these sorors are here from all over the world. It was such a great, wonderful experience. I'm so glad to have had the opportunity to be a part of this. Like, it was amazing. There's so many great moments and such great entertainment. Marsha Ambrosio is here. She's now one of our sorority sisters. Hi guys. She's now one of our sorority sisters, Marsha Ambrosio. That was awesome. The last day we did we went to church yesterday. It was a prayer breakfast. Kurt Franklin was there. We had Anthony Hamilton, Too Short, out here from the West. We love us some Too Short. We like to do our stroll to shake that monkey. I made my shirt. Too Short was here. DJ Quick was here, although he didn't get to go on stage because we were over on time, I guess. So DJ Quick was here. Who else? Uncle Charlie Wilson was here, and it was awesome. Lorenz Tate was here. I got my blue and yellow hair. So now I'm putting on my wig. And yeah, I'm ready to go. So this wig is, actually she's a little tight. Like, if you guys can see this, like, the wig is not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere. Let me show you. Woo! Because sometimes I think people don't believe our wigs are glueless. Look, it didn't even move. It didn't budge. It didn't go anywhere. My wigs don't move. So really the only reason I'm about to put some Got To Be glue on is just to show you guys the bands. The wigs are glueless. And yeah, but you don't have to glue your wig down. Somebody asked me that the other day. Why do you glue your wigs down? Mainly because that's what people want to see. And so on this wig, I actually left a little bit extra lace back here, so that way I can glue it down. But if you're somebody who always will wear your wig glueless, we would just cut that back for you. So what's most important about your wig install is to make sure all that lace is untucked in the front and all of that hair is pulled out. Very easy. And now I'm going to style my hair going back, so I can just spray some of this Got To Be glue on it. And that's it. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy, my darlings. So I'm going to use this clip right here. You guys like my nails? So I'm just going to pull all of this hair on the side up. And then you want to have all of the lace in place. All of the lace in place. All of the lace in place. But I had an amazing trip. It was nice to be around so many people. It was probably almost 10,000 sorority sisters here. Sigma Gamma Rho came to Indianapolis, because we were founded at Butler University, and we showed out. Like, this was an amazing experience, and I can't wait to put in work for my org this year, which I've been in my organization since spring 2005. I came through the Pi Rho chapter, then I chartered the Rho Mu chapter, then I chartered the new Delta Sigma chapter, San Bernardino alumni. So that's the current chapter I'm active in. Okay, so I've pulled all this hair up, and you see how this lace is right here? It's just right there. It looks uneven, but it's really not. So, and I'm in a hotel. This is not my bathroom at home. I'm in a hotel. We had a, hold on. We were in an Airbnb for the first 7 days, but then everybody checked out yesterday, so I had to get a hotel for the last day, and I didn't want to miss Kurt Franklin, so I just stayed one extra day. Okay, so make sure your lace is right where you want it to lay. Now, if you're a baby hair person, this is a time that you can pull out your baby hair if you want. Now, I'm not a baby hair person, so I'm not gonna fool around with it. Now, I like to put a little bit on the bottom there, and then, ooh, there's nothing left in this can barely. I guess we won't be really gluing this wig down today. I don't think there's anything left in here. Oh no. Okay, well, the little bit they did get out of there, let me just put that over here and see what happens. Okay, so I guess that's as good as it's gonna get, because there's nothing left in my can really. Oh, there's just a tiny bit in here. So where's my band? So I'm going to use this and just hold that down like so. It's Velcro, so it's really, really easy to use. And we have two different options for this. So we have this one, the elastic one, which is really easy to use. It's very important that you get the lace down by the ears, because that's the part you would usually, or not usually, but maybe sometimes have to do twice. So make sure the lace down by the ears is down. Just kind of press that in like that. And of course the top's down. So we have two different options. We have the elastic that has Velcro, and then we also have the satin, which you can just, you know, tie it around. It's up to you. And of course this wig is custom colored. It's like a pretty auburn color. I don't know if you guys can tell. This lighting is terrible. Again, this is not my bathroom. I'm in a hotel. And yeah, that's it. Just wait for it to dry. And I'm just gonna kind of style her into place here with our hot comb. This was actually really, really great to use when I have my kinky straight wig, because you know how on kinky straight you sometimes have to, oh, let me not burn myself. You sometimes need to, you know, give it a little flat iron. This was much faster to do. Our flat irons are available. We had a great product launch. We only have a couple of flat irons available. We do have a lot more hot combs left. I ordered a lot more hot combs, but they're available, guys, so come and get them. Perfect for if you have like a lump up here, you need it to just kind of get laid down just a little, just hit it with the hot comb. And I'm getting my arms done next month. I don't know why I'm shaking my arms on camera, but yeah. So I used to be really insecure about my arms, especially on camera, but now I'm just gonna get them done. So that's that. And yeah, I was just kind of knocking a little bit of the shape out of here since this was in my suitcase for a week. Actually, I need to kind of shape it a little. Let me grab the flat iron. So let me grab our flat iron. We do also have flat irons available. We have 2 different sizes. This is our 1-inch size, and then we also have the 1.5-inch size. They heat to the desired temperature in less than 60 seconds. So I'm turning her on now, and I should be done with this video in the next 2 minutes, my darlings. And you can of course change the part. All of our wigs have 6 inches of parting space in the front, and they're not a closure, they are frontal wigs, so you can part it way down by the ear. Ultimate black girl luxury item is traveling with your wigs in a wig bag like this. You can hang it up in the closet. You just fold it like this so you can travel with this, or you can discreetly keep your wigs in this when you are at home. The choice is yours. So, and of course I love our bonnets. We have 2 sizes of bonnets. This is our standard size. And then we also have a really long size for like if you have long curly hair and you're on vacation, you don't want to take it on and off. Get our longer bonnet, which is twice this length. Or if you have dreads or locks or anything like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's see if this is high. Ooh, it is. And now I'm just going to give us a little bit of shape here in the front. There we go. But I really had a great time. I love traveling. I love hanging out with the Soulers. But I'm ready to be home. I miss coming into the store. I miss my husband. I miss my own bed. What do you guys think about this color? You know, we do custom coloring in store. And don't wait until the last minute to get your custom color requested, because we may have a line and can't get your custom color in the next day. And that's it. Bye out, pow, pow. She's good to go. I'm ready. You know, I was debating if I was going to put a wig on or not today, because I just like my little buzz cut. But I'm done. I'm good to go. And yeah, she's ready, guys. She's ready to be on the airplane. All right, guys, don't forget we have medical reimbursement available. So if you have any sort of medical hair loss and you would like help with getting medical reimbursement and having your wig paid for by insurance, we can help you with that here at Magic Hair Company. We'll do all the paperwork for you. All you have to do is get your prescription from your doctor, and we will fill it out for you and tell you how much you're covered for. So yes, your insurance will give you money for your wig if you have hair loss. And our products are available on our website. I am on my way home. I love my org. Products available. I love you guys, and I'm so happy and grateful and blessed to be here. Thank you for shopping with Magic Hair Company, where our wigs are the best lace wigs, only available at MagicHairCompany.com and in our Culver City store. And yeah, I'm Janice, also known as Big J. Thank you for watching, guys. Medical reimbursement, don't forget, it's about a 30-day process. Also, appointment preferred. We're open Monday through Saturday, so we're not open Sunday. We're open 10:30 to 6 p.m. in Culver City. And what else? That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.